Friday, and that means it's weigh-in Friday. Let's go see what happens on the scale today. Okay, as you can see, I had a loss this week of 1.4. Um, I don't know what happened to the picture I took of the scale. It blurred. It's in my camera, but it's all blurry, so I must have moved the camera or my phone while I was taking the picture. So today I weighed in at 186.7. Last week it was 188.1. Takes my total loss to 91.1. My percentage of body weight that I've lost since I began is 32.793%. My BMI is at 34. When I started, it was 50. So 1.4 for the week, 1 pound exactly since the beginning of the month. I have 56.7 pounds to go to get to my goal. I have 8.9 pounds to get to my 100 pound mark. But a year ago, since a year ago, I've lost 30.3. So June 12th of 2019, I was 30.3 pounds heavier. And I remember I had started losing weight back last June again, too, because I had been on a kind of a plateau, and I was in South Carolina. I started really losing. So those are my stats for so far this week. So we're getting there. I think it's 8.9. Yeah, it's 8.9. Over in this one column on my spreadsheet, I've had so many different things I've been calculating that I probably should be specific. So anyway, on my way. We'll see what happens next Friday. But the goal I did set a weekly goal, and I am my weekly goal is pretty much an extension of my daily goal this week, and it's just to stay within my daily point range every day. I don't have any special occasions coming up this week. I'm probably going to go to the grocery store later today a little bit after I make up my daily menu plan. But that is my goal. Is just every day this week to stay within my 30-point range. Because remember, I'm on the green plan now, so I get 30 points. And so my daily goal today then is stick to my diet, or not diet, but my menu plan, and within my 30-point range, although I have to change my menu plan because I looked at it this morning and I'm out of everything that's on that list for today. So I'm going to revise it today. I'm going to, here after I finish my coffee, I'm going to revise my menu plan and make my plan for next week. Meal planning really helps me because then I can build my grocery list, and also I print it out and I stick it on my refrigerator, and it takes the thought process out of it. For any given day, I can look to see what's there. And, the days are sort of interchangeable. So if you have something like on Friday that, well, maybe you don't have in the refrigerator like you thought you would, but, up here on Saturday or Sunday, you might have what's there. You can switch around because my daily points per meal are pretty much the same, or in the ballpark anyway. So I went through all that explanation to tell you that my goal today is stick to my menu plan and to stay within my 30 points. So I have added, I'm going to stop eating at 7 o'clock, which I normally do anyway, but there were a couple nights this past week that about 9 o'clock I kind of got a craving. And what I should have done was drink a big, huge ass glass of water, but I didn't. A couple nights I got into my jelly or my jam and bread. For the most part, though, I mean, it was still within my point range, but my goal is to just at 7 o'clock stop. The kitchen is closed at 7 o'clock. So, all right. I'm glad I had a loss. I needed a loss this week. I think last week it was a gain for me. And I feel like I'm moving the scales, at least starting to move in the right direction again. I'm heading toward that 100-pound milestone that I was hoping to reach by the end of June. I may have to move that goalpost a little bit to July. But I'm, because I've got, like what I say, 8.9 pounds. This is the 12th. So, well, how many days are left? 18 days are left in the month. I don't think I can lose 8.9 pounds in 8 days. Stranger things have happened, but I'm pretty sure that's not going to happen to me. So, all right. I got to tell you, I had this delicious breakfast this morning. And I mean, it was point packed, but I ate late. I mean, it was like noon when I was eating breakfast. So it's going to carry me through most of the day. So watch my daily vlog on what I had today, but because it was yummy. And I'll be back later today with my what I ate on the green plan to make me lose or help me lose a total of 147.8 pounds. That's what I'm shooting for. And I'm at 91.1 today. Yesterday I was at 91.3. I wish I would have logged my weight yesterday. That picture came out fine. So, all right. I'll see you guys later today.